Joe Cusick of Cusick Advisors joins us now for Stocking Up. Good to have you here, and you're stocking up on some tech stocks today.
Yeah, you know what? The NASDAQ has been on the move, under a little bit of pressure, but I think the next leg could be the upside, and so you want to keep an eye on some of the large cap names. And specifically, we're going to take a look at Intel, because Intel is one of those bellwethers, not only for tech, but also the chip sector. So you're killing two birds with one stone. And there was some unusual activity that I saw in Intel where I saw a lot of put buyers, and there were for options that are expiring in about 10 days. Angie, this is interesting because the options actually expire before they come out with earnings. I want to keep an eye on that type of activity. These were at the $30 level, they're at $30.50 level. This is interesting because it's telling me that while the upside has been the prevalent move, there is some pressure. I think with the news coming out of Europe where they're mixed, where is that actual stimulus going to fall? What type of assets are they going to buy? China is all over the place.
That's true.
The Bank of Japan coming out, still very mixed.
Our own Fed.
Our own Fed meeting. Also, you know, again, you have investors that are starting to get nervous.
So people have Intel and they're buying options just in case it falls apart.
Yep.
And then at the same time, would you be a buyer of this stock at current levels? I like Intel where it is.
I like where the stock is, but I would prefer, I don't buy stocks outright. What I do is I do strategies like selling out of the money puts. And if I want to own 100 shares per put contract I sell, and I have the dollars to do it, that is the more optimal way. Take advantage of the implied volatility. One thing I didn't note is that the expected volatility in the stock has increased over its 52-week low. That's telling me that the marketplace, specifically the options marketplace, is anticipating the stock potentially having some violent moves. It's not off the charts high, but Angie, the way I do it is I'll sell out of the money. 29, 28 level, Intel looks fine to me.
Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you, Angie.